Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview A200 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, hold your power button, and when you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. After a moment it changes to reboot to safe mode, so we're going to confirm it by selecting OK. And when the device boots back up, it will automatically boot in safe mode, which is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. Now in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled as long as you are in the mode. As you can see, we have a watermark right here letting us know that we are in safe mode. And in a moment, once the device boots up, there we go. You can see that the widgets don't work in this mode, and also we should not have any applications that I can showcase. So if you see some kind of applications, either they are hidden right here, that's why we don't see them, or there is no applications on here that don't, or that wouldn't really work in this mode. I think the device actually hides them, that's why there is no applications visible that we can't run. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one so you can use all your applications, hold your power button and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.